Respiratory system and breathing. This topic covers the structure and function of the respiratory system, including the mechanism of breathing, tissue respiration, and after-tissue respiration. Air is drawn into the body through the nose. The inner wall of the nasal cavity is lined with fine hairs that trap dust particles. As the air passes through the nose, it is warmed and moistened before it enters the lungs. Air can also enter through the mouth, but the process of filtration is not so efficient. Air passes down the trachea, the lining of which has cilia. These are small hair-like projections that trap foreign particles and microorganisms in the mucous membrane and waft them back out. The trachea is supported by incomplete loops of cartilage to prevent its collapse. The air passes into the right and left bronchus, which further divides into bronchioles. The bronchioles have a small diameter as compared to the bronchi and end in air sacs called alveoli. The total surface area of the alveoli in a human lung would cover a football field. Hence, much oxygen can leave the air sacs and pass through the alveoli wall to be taken up by the hemoglobin of the red blood cells. The plasma and red blood cells give up their carbon dioxide that passes through the alveoli wall of the air sacs to be released out. The air that comes out of the body contains more carbon dioxide and less oxygen. Breathing is the passage of air in and out of the lungs. During inspiration, the external intercostal muscles contract, raising the rib cage. As a result, the diaphragm lowers and flattens, thereby increasing the volume of the thorax. When the volume increases, there is a drop in the pressure in the thorax, which causes the air to enter. During expiration, the external intercostal muscles relax. The diaphragm muscles also relax, and the rib cage returns to its former positions. This reduces the volume of the thorax and increases the pressure, thereby forcing the air out. Additionally, air can be forced out by the contractions of the internal intercostal muscles.